Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung SmartThings app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up the Samsung SmartThings app, start by downloading it from the Google Play Store or app. Once installed, open the app on your device. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to continue. Next, sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, grant the necessary permissions for location and device access. Now, you will see the main dashboard of the app. To add a device, tap on that Add Device button. You can choose from a list of categories, such as lights, smart plugs, or sensors. Select the type of device you wish to add. Make sure your device is powered on and in pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions for your specific device model. The app will search for available devices in the vicinity. Once your device appears, tap on it to begin the pairing process. Confirm any prompts that appear on the screen. You may need to input a device password, usually found in the device's manual. Once paired, you can name your device for easier identification. After naming, you can assign it to a specific room if desired. Repeat the process for any additional devices you want to add. Once all devices are added, explore the SmartThings dashboard to manage them. You can set up automations and routines based. Familiarize yourself with the different features available within the app. Adjust settings for notifications and remote access as needed. Now you're ready to enjoy your connected devices with Samsung SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.